Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin immediately. Power off unnecessary electronics and leave only essential tools on. Use your phone camera and flashlight to scan visible seams, vents, and decor. Metallic glints often reveal hidden devices. Once done, don headphones and listen closely for consistent hissing or clicks. Those steady sounds often indicate an active recorder. Make sure to record observations in a notebook and mark suspicious zones for targeted RF and physical inspection next. You now perform a detailed RF sweep, slowly moving the detector across walls, fixtures, and electronic clusters. Pause when spikes appear because that indicates transmission or active electronics. Then, follow those marks with careful, non-destructive opening of suspect items. Remove batteries and inspect circuit boards for memory chips, microphones, and magnets. Once done, use your phone camera in low light to catch tiny LEDs or lens reflections. This helps differentiate benign wiring from concealed recorders and explains why you finish by safely disabling any device you discovered. Remove batteries, cut power, and photograph serials for documentation. This preserves evidence and prevents reactivation. If you found no device, make sure to repeat scans at various times and listen during quiet hours, because some recorders transmit intermittently. Troubleshooting tip: if RF spikes persist but you can't locate source, sweep with a second detector or call a professional sweep team. This resolves hidden or frequency-hopping devices reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.